Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the keyboard shortcut for select, copy and paste. So what is a shortcut in Windows? So the keyboard shortcuts are like the combination of keys that you need to press to do or to perform an action that you would manually do with the mouse. So now you can use the keyboard to do the same thing that you would do with the mouse. So now let's see how we are going to implement this video. So these are the steps we are going to follow for implementing this video. Now let's get started. So here we have two text files. This one is empty and this one has text. So if I want to select all the text in this text file, I will have to use the Ctrl plus A. Now all the text is selected. Now if I want to copy this text, I will have to press the Ctrl key and the C. Ctrl plus C. If I press them, now the text is copied. Now if I want to paste it to another text file or over here, if I paste it over here, if I press the Ctrl plus V, the Ctrl and the V, then it will be pasted. Now if I try, don't save. Now if I open this file and if I just press the Ctrl V, now you see I didn't do anything with my mouse. I just used the keyboard shortcut. For selecting everything, I use the Ctrl A. For copying this text, I use the Ctrl C, and for pasting this text, I use the Ctrl V. So these are the keyboard shortcuts for select, copy, and paste. Now let's have a look at the summary.